Here's a quick guide to essential information about registration with Social Care Wales. Social Care Wales maintains the register of the social care workforce in Wales. The register shows who has shown they have the right values, skills, and training to be a social care worker. It helps the public to know they can trust you and rely on you as a worker. When you are registered, you'll be able to use the title of your profession. You'll also be supported by the Code of Professional Practice for Social Care, formal practice guidance that describes good practice, information and resources that tries to address some of the things that are important to you in your work, invitations to events, conferences, and consultations. It's time to register. Everyone on the register must agree to follow the Code of Professional Practice and practice guidance for their role. Copies can be found within the application form and on our website. To start your application, visit scwonline.wales to create an account. SCW Online is our registration portal. It includes step-by-step guides on how to register. If you aren't registered yet, you can use SCW Online to apply online. As a part of this process, you'll need to upload the documents listed and choose an appropriate person to endorse your application. Once you are registered, you can use SCW Online to maintain your registration, allowing you to update any changes such as your address, job details, personal and professional information, renew your registration, and pay your fees. You can also use SCW Online to keep an up-to-date record of your continuous professional development, CPD. For more information or to start your registration, please visit scwonline.wales.